Hello friends! Welcome back to Gia Academy's channel. We hope you always healthy and keep spirit. In daily life, we do various activities such as eating, drinking, breathing, and others. Did you know that the air we breathe, the food we consume, the beverage we drink, and even the transportation and fuel we use all involve chemical processes? Besides them, what other roles does the science of chemistry play in our lives? We'll explore this completely in this video. So, in this video, we will discuss the role of chemistry in life. Keep watching! Before we delve into chemistry, we need to understand what chemistry is. Chemistry is a science that studies the reaction between elements or compounds, their combination, and the comparison of their molecules to form new compounds. The essence of chemistry includes: first, the study of composition of matter. This includes the components that make up matter and comparison of each component in a material. For example, we can compare alcohol and water by examining their material composition. In chemistry, water and alcohol are compounds or combinations of two or more types of elements in a specific composition. Water is composed of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, with the chemical formula H2O. Meanwhile, alcohol is a compound composed of three elements, hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon, with the chemical formula CnH2 plus 2O. The study of the structure of matter. This involves understanding the arrangement of atoms that are bonded together. Atoms, as tiny particles that make up matter, can join together to form molecules. The study of the properties of matter. Properties of matter include physical and chemical properties. Physical properties are observable and measurable without changing the composition of a substance. Examples include state, color, density, boiling point, and others. Chemical properties are thus not easily observed and relate to how substances interact and form new substances. Examples include changes in color, temperature, flammability, decay, and others. These properties are influenced by the arrangement and structure of the material itself. Each material has unique properties that distinguish it from others. Chemistry studies changes in matter. Changes in matter include physical and chemical changes. Physical changes do not produce new substances. For example, iron can be powdered. Chemical changes produce new substances, for instance, burning charcoal in the air. Chemists harness the energy involved in chemical changes to create new materials from cheaper natural substances. This is used in fields such as pharmaceuticals and the creation of a new product like plastic, medicines, and nylon. The roles of chemistry related to aspects of life have given rise to several branches of chemistry. Organic chemistry deals with the structure, composition, reactions, and synthesis of organic compounds, hydrocarbon compounds such as alcohol, gasoline, and diesel. Inorganic chemistry focuses on the study of inorganic compounds such as salts, minerals, metals, and materials. Biochemistry relates to biology, specifically regarding the properties, composition, and reaction products of compounds. Compounds studied include carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and enzymes. Analytical chemistry involves qualitative and quantitative chemical analysis, often directed towards the development and application of increasingly sophisticated and instruments. Environmental chemistry addresses environmental issues such as pollution, waste management, and clean water treatment. Nuclear chemistry focuses on the study of radioactive substances, their handling and utilization, such as in medicine, agriculture, and hydrology. Pharmaceutical chemistry centers on the research of isolating, synthesizing, and developing natural substances containing active ingredients for medicines. Physical chemistry. This will integrate physics with the chemistry, focusing on the study of energy accompanying chemical reactions, as well as the physical and chemical properties and changes of chemical compounds. Food chemistry. This area concentrates on research aimed at enhancing the quality of food materials, food additives, and other aspects related to food requirements. Okay, friends, we will discuss the role of chemistry in our lives, including medicine. Chemistry helps in understanding how drugs interact with disease affecting patients. The development of medications is based on research into chemical processes and reactions involving natural substances. Additionally, chemistry contributes to the modification of food components such as proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. Agriculture. Chemical analysis provides information about soil components related to fertility. Armed with this information, farmers can determine the appropriate plants to cultivate on his lands. Deficiencies in necessary plant nutrients can be supplemented with artificial fertilizers. Additionally, farmers can use pesticides like insecticides to control pests and disease. Both fertilizers and pesticides are products of chemistry. Geology. This field involves the study of rocks, minerals, and the extension of oil and gas. Understanding the elements comprising minerals and preliminary exploration stages are based on fundamental chemical principles. Chemistry aids in comprehending discoveries about rocks and natural formations. Biology. Chemical processes within living organisms include food digestion, respiration, metabolisms, fermentation, and photosynthesis. Understanding these processes deeply requires knowledge of the structure and properties of compounds involved, such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, enzymes, and nucleic acid. Law. The benefits of chemistry in the field of law can be felt when conducting criminal evidence examinations. For example, suspects can be identified by examining fingerprints since each person's fingerprints are unique. The examination uses the chemical compound penetrate. When fingerprints left on an object are caught penetrate and exposed to light, the fingerprints will turn black, making them easy to identify. Machinery. The benefits of chemistry in the field of machinery include studying the properties and composition of metals that are suitable for machine manufacturing, and studying the properties and composition of fuel and machine lubricants. Environment and cleanliness. Air pollution is a consequence of energy source usage. Chemistry plays an important role in identifying the impacts of pollution and determining ways to address them. Additionally, the use of cleaning products such as soap, detergents, and bleach involves chemical substances. Choosing the best products and knowing which substances should not be mixed requires knowledge of chemical concepts. Civil engineering. Materials used in this field include cement, wood, paint, nails, iron, pipes, glue, and steel. The benefits of chemistry in this context are to understand the advantages or disadvantages of these building materials, thus minimizing future accidents and saving operational costs. Alright, friends. Besides playing a role in various aspects of everyday life, chemistry is also used in addressing global issues. First, the issue of fuel. Fossil fuels are limited in quantity. Fossils are non-renewable natural resources because they are formed from organisms buried millions of years ago. These will eventually be depleted, and humans must find alternative energy sources to address this energy crisis. For example, the successful discovery of alternative energy sources, such as the use of alcohol as a fuel. Biogas technology. Livestock in rural areas can cause environmental problems due to their for-smelling waste. The unpleasant odor from the waste is caused by ammonia and hydrogen sulfide gases. Animal waste also ruins the scenic beauty of villages and can become a source of disease transmission. With biogas technology, these problems can be solved. Animal waste is processed into biogas, making it beneficial for humans. The production of biogas using livestock waste as a raw material is carried out in a closed container with the help of microorganisms. The resulting biogas technology can be used as an energy source, such as electricity for lighting or LPG gas for cooking. Finally, air pollution. Air pollution is caused by exhaust gas emissions resulting from energy use. Efforts to minimize air pollution can be made in several ways, such as creating urban parks, planting green trees along the roads, and equipping vehicles' exhausts with catalytic converters. So, friends, that's our discussion about the roles of chemistry in life. See ya!